You're watching ABC 13, Houston's news leader. Live with Melanie Lawson, Art Rascone, and Chief Meteorologist Tim Heller. This is 13 Eyewitness News Live at 5, Houston's news leader.
I'm Christy Myers. A way to relieve back pain without surgery, coming up later on Live at 5.
Well, a lot of Americans have back pain. In fact, probably most of us, and many who end up having back surgery still find out they aren't free of the pain.
But now there is a new medical option, and medical reporter Christy Myers is here to explain the good news, right?
Well, it does sound like a really interesting option for people. Now, with the back, you can have pain from inflammation, a ruptured disc, or discs that are degenerating. This new therapy developed in Houston is helping some people get pain relief, people who didn't want more back surgery.
Up here.
Carrie Walsh straps up and lies down, tethered to this strange-looking machine. Anything to avoid another back surgery.
All right, I'm going to raise you up to your level.
For 30 minutes, it slowly pulls the discs of her lower spine apart.
There you go. See how the angle's changing?
A gap opens in the table under the spine as Carrie is stretched.
It doesn't hurt at all. It feels like a really tough pulling.
After 25 treatments, Carrie stopped all pain medications and canceled her second back surgery.
I've been completely pain-free after years and years and years, completely pain-free after doing this.
They carried me to the hospital like this.
Thomas Watts had a ruptured disc and 2 back surgeries. When the pain came back, he tried the Lordex decompression therapy.
I went from probably a pain level of 8 out of 10 to maybe a 2.
I've already had back surgery, and I certainly didn't want another one.
Even orthopedic surgeon Stanley Jones, who was skeptical of this therapy, tried it.
And it worked. I couldn't believe it. I was never so excited in my life.
You can think of this equipment as a modern version of old-fashioned traction, except this time they can use a computer to adjust for the disc that hurts.
Jay Dodds also had back surgery. He says Lordex's combination of stretching and immediate exercise helped him when the pain came back.
It would decompress my back, and then I would isolate on those muscles, and I just got stronger. And then once I got stronger, I had less pain. Come here, sweetie.
And now Jay can lift his little girl, something he couldn't do a year ago.
Now, Dr. Jones says Lordex's decompression and exercise program together helps people with lower disc problems, inflammation, and degenerated discs. It will not help you if you have a ruptured disc. That's going to take surgery, or pain from a cervical disc, which is high on the spine. But at least it gives people some options. A good percentage of people, it might be worth trying this.
And how many doctors offer it?
Well, Lordex Spine System, I think, is the only one that does here in Houston. There's another similar one, too, but their big deal is they use the physical therapy immediately after the stretching to try to strengthen the newly stretched area.
And you know what? I was surprised. You said as many as 80% of folks out there have back problems?
It's just so common. We stand upright.